Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video test with the Google Pixel 5 5G. Shooting this vid in 1080p 60 frames per second. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. Got regular wide mode right now. I am going to be switching it up to wide angle here in just a moment. But yeah, please leave some feedback down below and let me know what you think of the visuals and the audio quality that's being fed into your ears. Appreciate it very much. I think I'm going to switch it up right now to wide angle mode. There we go. Man, I am so stoked. Huge shout out. Google, yeah. The wide angle mode. Gots to have me some ultra wide. So let me know how everything looks, and stabilization. That is turned on, so let me know if the stabilization is doing what it's supposed to do. I do have the Google Pixel 5 5G attached to my dash mount. It's not the best. There may be a little bit of shakiness. Hopefully we don't have, at times there is a little bit of rattling. So hopefully that's very minimal too. I can tell when it's a dash mount issue. I've gone through a couple of them, and I have a windshield mount as well. But I didn't attach it to that one. I'm just going to use the dash mount for this video test, and probably for a few other. There will be some video tests that I will utilize the windshield mount. But yeah, let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. Got some free music here, non-copyright free music, so I don't get myself into trouble. You let me know how that sounds. Maybe that's not the best tune. Yeah, this road needs a little help. So there's obviously going to be a little bit of shakiness, but we want that to look smooth as far as the stabilization goes. With OIS, it should smooth out what I'm really experiencing right now, but on video, it should look a lot better than what I'm going through it. I can feel the vibration in the car, the road, I can feel all the bumps. But when I watch the video before I upload it, I'm sure it's going to look a lot smoother. So, and that's what you want optical image stabilization to give you. And of course, visually, you want it to be stunning, and audio-wise, you want it to sound great. So we're gonna go back to regular mode. Bam! 1080p 60 frames per second with the Google Pixel 5 5G. Super stoked to finally get some videos out. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you don't, leave a thumbs down. Let me know why, please. And share this video on your social media. And, oh yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Peace? Did I say peace? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I have content for you to watch. And I just appreciate all of you. God bless, stay safe and healthy. I am out.